The purpose of this video is to demonstrate correct water medicator setup and orientation in swine barns. Water medicators are a very important tool used to mass medicate or vaccinate. Water medication proves to be more effective than feed medication, as water intake is usually unaffected by illness. There are many kinds of water medicators, but the two most common are the piston and the diaphragm. These medicators usually run at a 1 to 128 ratio, or 1 ounce of medicated solution to every 128 ounces of water in the main water line. The diaphragm medicator is powered by water flowing, causing a flexible diaphragm to move back and forth. The movement draws a set amount of stock solution up through the suction tube and injects it into the main water stream. Similarly, the piston medicator activates when water flows through it and pushes an internal piston. As the piston moves, it pulls a set amount of stock solution up through the suction tube. Water medicator setup will need to be customized to the farm's space and capabilities, but there are important factors to consider when setting up a medicator. The medicator should be connected to the main water line, but have the ability to be bypassed when not in use. To do this, a side stream and ball valves can be used to direct the flow of water. Installing a filter at the beginning of the system will prevent debris from clogging the medicator. Ensure it is installed before the flow meter, pressure regulators, and the medicator. Including flow meters and pressure regulators in the system allows for measuring the rate and pressure at which water is coming through, ensuring accurate and consistent dosing of medications. Confirm that the drop hose is placed straight up and down into the stock bucket and fully immersed. If the drop hose is placed at an angle, air will enter and disrupt water flow. If the line isn't straight, a weight can be attached to the end of the lines to help keep it straight. Maintaining a clean stock bucket is a vital step in ensuring effective and appropriate medication is administered to the barn. A clean stock bucket prevents contamination, accidental inactivation of medications or vaccines, and ensures accurate dosing. An easy way to keep stock buckets clean is by using bucket liners. These allow for easy disposal and cleanup once medication is finished. This is particularly important when using modified live vaccine through the water medicator. In addition to clean stock buckets, it's important to maintain a clean system overall. This includes a clean filter and pipes. Keeping a clean system ensures proper dosage and prevents future damages to the medicator. For medications that don't dissolve well in solution, utilizing a stir pump can help ensure that the medication is mixed thoroughly. Using unions during installation can aid in removal and maintenance in the future. Unions allow for quick and simple removal of the medicator for maintenance or replacement, along with easy installation when finished. When mounting medicators to a wall, a strap is used to secure it. When installing the medicator, confirm that the flow direction is correct. The arrow on the medicator will indicate which direction the water is going. It may be helpful to use permanent markers to label the appropriate valves for both incoming and outgoing flows. When using a diaphragm medicator, ensure that the switch is in the on position. For both piston and diaphragm medicators, the next step is to adjust the PVC ball valves placed on the side stream to allow water flow through the medicator. When a ball valve's handle is parallel with the pipe, it is in the on position, or is allowing water to flow through the medicator. When a ball valve's handle is perpendicular or crossing the pipe, it is inhibiting water flow or is in the off position. Once medication is complete, dispose of any remaining medication in the stock bucket, clean and fill the bucket with fresh water. Let the medicator run for about 2 hours using the clean water to ensure that all medication solution has been cleaned out of the medicator and prevent buildup within the system for future use. Thank you for watching this IPICU tutorial of water medicator setup and orientation. For more information, please go to the IPIC website or contact the Iowa Pork Industry Office at ipic@iastate.edu, phone number 515-294-4103.